So this wig is fucked. Hey there, my lovers and friends. I have a wig update for you all. It's on my head, and this one I swear is going to be good. So I don't want you to miss it, but before we go any further, help me out. Hit the subscribe button below. Share this video. Get your friends to sign up. Join me on my journey and trying the new things around beauty. Alright? Stay tuned for this wig review. Hey there, my lovers and friends. If you probably haven't seen me on the internet as of late, I've been on a social media fast. I just needed to get some of my real life stuff done before I really start to entertain all the time spent on social media. But nonetheless, I think for 2018, I am just going to be laced front, lace everything up, wigged up. I'm really just now getting the hang of being able to apply it myself. As you guys know, it's been a journey. From one of my very first videos, I'll pop it in here maybe, or here, who knows. It will be around here, and how far I've gone. Now I was looking at that video, and it's been a 2-year journey on this whole DIY, trying this whole beauty and lace frontal thing, which I think I got the hang of. Nonetheless, wanted to bring to you this wig review because a ton of people be trying on wigs, but do they really wear it to understand like if it's long lasting or not? And I got this wig that I have on now from Wow Ebony. It's 150% density, and it's a kinky straight, and I've had it now installed, sewn and installed for about 6 weeks, about a month and a half. I got it put in and sewn in January, the end of January, and now it's about the middle of March. And today I just was like, let me feel an update because this has definitely been the truth. I did not, I was very much intimidated by like plucking the hairline. Y'all know, again, I had my failures with that. I'll plug in another video if you guys want to see that of what not to do. And so I went to get this professionally installed. It was also a 360 wig as well. 360 wig, and like I said, 150% density Brazilian kinky straight. I think it's Brazilian kinky straight, I believe it's, or Indian kinky straight, either or. So I got it installed, and I have a small head. I think the circumference of my head is more closer to 20.5, and so even the small size wigs tend to be loose on me. So when it was installed, mistake number one was I wasn't clear with my hairstylist that I really wanted to rock this as a 360. And so she did cut a huge amount off in the back and just sewed it down. So I wasn't even able to take advantage of it. It's just like a straight track, and then the wig is sewn down. So that kind of sucked. But for the most part, I didn't wear the hair up in the time that I've had it for 6 weeks. She also did the hairline, and the hairline was cool. We glued it down using Ghost Blonde, and let me tell y'all how this wig fared in Africa. I wore it. I got this done and made to go to West Africa, and January, February is like some of the hottest seasons out there, and it did pretty damn well. I'm not even going front. I really appreciated it. I have brought my other wigs, but this sucker lasted for 2 weeks. I did have to reapply it here and there, but the Ghost Blonde XL, it really did come through. Like, it sold me based on that experience, because it was extremely hot. I was hot. I mean, you guys, it's near the where I went was near the equator. It was really hot. And then only time it did get loose was, or started to lift, was when I worked out. And then when I worked out, I would tie it down, let it air dry out completely, and then it was back good to go. So I really like that experience. I did notice a few things when I got back, and when I got back, I washed the hair and then re-flat ironed it, and I started to notice shedding. And this is just some, right? I mean, it hasn't been like, oh my god, like everywhere my hair is coming out everywhere, but it has been like, oh, this hair is shedding. More specifically, I noticed shedding around the hairline, and you guys could probably see it. And this is just some glue lifted up. I want y'all to really see this. I mean, I have some sideburns left here, but I have no sideburns left here at all. So like the whole front of this damn wig fell out. But I was holding on to it, you know. I was holding on to it because I really like the texture of the hair. I really like the density of the wig. And I was trying to figure out, like, you know, taking some of these hairs that haven't fallen out and, like, pulling it forward to do some type of baby hair. But then I looked at a picture from when I got it done, and I realized, like, how much of this hair came out. And because she cut off the back of the wig, it's not even like I could, like, it's not even like I can pull it forward to even, like, make a new hairline. So this wig is fucked. It's the truth of the matter. I was so shocked by how much the front has really come out. It literally looks like my edges fell out. And they did though, but it's not my real edges. So today I decided that I'm going to remove this and put on another lace front. But I wanted to share with y'all this experience again. I'm curious. I was looking on YouTube to see if other people have had this experience, but maybe they have not worn it as much as I did for, you know, 6 strong weeks across 2 continents, across, you know, 4 states, or whatever the case may be. So I'm about to take this sucker off. I wanted to give y'all the real tea. You know, if you had to ask me if I was gonna buy this wig again, I would probably say, yeah, I love the kinky straight texture a lot. I love the density, but I'm gonna try somebody else. You know, and I'll put all the details below about how much I spent on it. It probably, you know, for 6 weeks, if I didn't get it professionally installed, it was definitely worth it. But since I had it professionally installed and fitted to my hair, and I mean, honestly, it's a bit kind of destroyed, because like the whole 360 part is sewn. You can only sew this wig out now, sew this wig down now. I think it's kind of a bit of a loss. but I did get 6 weeks worth of wear out of it, and that was pretty damn good. All right, I'll stop rambling. I just wanted to bring y'all the true tea on that. I don't know about, you know, Wild Ebony. Oh, I'm just curious. Y'all let me know below. Did your edges fall out or what? Or has this happened to you before? Did you revive the wig or just call it a beater and let it go? Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for supporting. Hit subscribe. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. And I'll see you soon.